because when you have the understand the conversation, this gives you a leg up on someone that doesn't know. When you start saying, well, what's all covered under infrastructure? Can you tell me about networks that's in infrastructure? And again, the conversation. So again, find ways that you can gain experience, family. I know a lot of times we'll say, well, the job is not offering me an opportunity to get experience. Okay, well, is this the career path you want to go down? If it is, you need to find an organization, or better yet, when you are interviewing for position, you need to be able to ask about, hey, do you guys have mentor programs? Do you guys offer any programs for career? How do you guys handle people's career? These are questions you need to ask, because you also have to keep in mind, family, you're interviewing them as well as they're interviewing you. So again, look for opportunities in which you can gain additional experience. Family, as I stated before, is also in the post as well, that we do have my mentor, my buddy, my good friend, Phil is having a project manager 360 seminar. You need to go check it out. With no further ado, again, that's Saturday, May 4th, 2024.